Hey everybody, Michael Bean here, Mr. Bean, whatever you want to call me. Um, so odds are your child brought home this letter today, and it's about EOG results. And I just want to say that integrated testing is one of the most frustrating things you can put your kid through, whether they're 7 years old, 15, 16 years old. It's it's just not fun for anyone. It's not fun for the kids. It's not fun for the teachers. It's just not a fun process to go through. Um, but it is what it is. I can't change it. You can't change it. So we just gotta live with it. Doesn't mean it's fun, but we just gotta live with it. But um, they got one of these letters about the results. So check it out. I can't speak for math. I'm not gonna try to speak for math. I can't go down that path. But I can speak for ELA, reading, English, whatever you want to call it, the EOG. Um, if they got something like this that said that they were a level 3, 4, or 5, and it was circled proficient, they do not need to retest. If they were below a level 3, the cutoff level number score was 553. That was the cutoff. If they scored 553, they were not proficient. If they scored a 554, they were proficient. A 553, they were not proficient. Um, it's not the end of the world. It really isn't. It is not the end of the world. And what we're going to do is we're going to retest. Um, Pretty much what I'm going to do starting on Friday and then all next week, any chance I have to grab kids, I'm going to grab kids to remediate them. On May 20th, if you guys look right there, you'll see it says summer school. Oh my gosh, I hate that we're calling it summer school, but I don't know what else to call it. But so it is what it is. It's 2 days. It's the 20th of May and 21st. That's that next Monday and Tuesday. It will not be 8 to noon. I know it says 8 to noon. I do not do 8 to noon. I do two 2 hour sessions. I'll do a session from 8 to 10 and then a session from 10 to 12. And once I get these letters back, if you guys look, saying you sign it saying you want to retest, I will assign your kid either an 8 to 10 session or a 10 to 12 session because no child wants to sit with me for 4 hours. I don't even want to sit with me for 4 hours. And 4 hours is a little bit too much. So I do 2 hour sessions. And on that Monday and Tuesday, then we retest on Wednesday, May 22nd. You probably, when you got this letter, saw that it said the retest was Wednesday, May 22nd. And from what I understand, when they finish, they can leave. If something's different, I'll communicate that. But I believe that's what we did last year. When they finish, they can leave. Um, so, especially I had a lot of kids that were close. They were so close, within 1 to 5 points. And oh my gosh, I want to see every single kid back that did not cross that finish line just to give them closure. The analogy I like to use is baseball because I love baseball. And if I go to bat and I strike out, I'm not going to say, oh my God, I'm never going to get to bat ever again. I'm going to get back out there and try to hit the ball again. And testing is the same way. I refuse to go down the path of, oh baby, you didn't pass the first time. You don't have to do it anymore. Because life doesn't work that way. And whether it's basketball, you miss a 3 pointer, is you don't give up shooting threes. You keep trying. If you miss a free throw, you keep trying. If you miss a layup, you keep trying. If you didn't block someone, you're going to keep trying to do a block. If you're using baseball, if you strike out, you're going to go back up to that plate. If you miss a pop fly ball, you're going to try to catch the next pop fly ball. You don't just give up. So that's what I told every single kid that was not proficient. We're not giving up. I'm not going to give up. I'm stubborn like that. I do not give up that easily. I don't want them to give up that easily. There's a line in the movie Trolls. If you've seen the movie Trolls, they sing a song about if you knock me over, knock me over, I will get back up again. And this is kind of what we're doing. We're getting back up again. We've been knocked over, and we're going to try again because I believe in trying and trying and trying and fighting for it. And I want the kids to fight for it. And if that makes me a bad teacher, I don't want to be right because I refuse to believe that we should just tap out after one attempt. I believe in making mistakes. I believe in learning from those mistakes. I believe in trying again. So if your kid is not proficient, it is not the end of the world. Nobody's mad. I think I saw so many kids today with tears in their eyes, and nobody's mad because I know they probably feel like they let themselves down, and it's not that. Some people just have a bad run of it sometimes. I will tell every single one of y'all parents the same thing I told my kids. When I was in 10th grade, I failed the North Carolina writing test hard. I failed it hard. Like I got a 1 out of 5. I got a 1. And I'm an English teacher now. I'm a published author now. So one bad test score, not the end of the world. It will never be the end of the world. I refuse to let the kids think that's the end of the world. I believe in fighting. I believe in trying again. That's what we're going to do. So if you're watching this video and you're like, and you're on the fence, give your kid a fighting chance. Because I want to see them fight and I want to see them try again. Because that's what I believe in doing. So, and that makes me a bad teacher. I don't want to be a good teacher, honest to goodness, because we need to teach our kids to get back up again, and that's what I firmly believe. And I want to see your kid back. If they're not proficient, I want to see them. It's not up for debate. I want to see them, and I want to take another shot at this. I'll be grabbing kids throughout the week for remediation. Like I said, once I get my letters back, these 2 dates right here, you'll find out if you're going to be in my 8 o'clock group or 10 o'clock group. And we'll go from there on the 22nd of Wednesday, May 22nd. I have the kids say today they're going to smack that test. And that's exactly what we're going to do, okay? If you got any questions, send me an email, beanm@advancedcharter.org. I'll gladly, talk to you by email. I'll talk to you by phone, whatever you want to do. But I want to take another shot at this if your kid did not make it, because that's what I think every kid should be doing, okay? Y'all have a good evening. Yep, that's about it. Love y'all. Bye.